Hi guys, it's Miss Carlee here, and today we are going to do a fun fall science experiment about apples. Ready? Knowledge with you. Alright guys, now that we got up and we did a little dance and you listened to my fun song, I have some fun things for you to do. Right here on this tray, I have 3 different apples and they're cut up. One is a red apple, one is a green apple, one is this funky yellow apple. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test and I've cut the apple up. Let's start with the apple being cut. The apple that I cut was a green apple and I cut it in half. So I took this apple and I took a knife and I went like this and cut it. And this is what you're seeing right now, and it looks like this. And you can see the inside, the skin is here, and then this is the stuff that you would eat when you bite into the apple. And right here you can see a little seed, and this is the parts of the apple. And this one doesn't have it because it fell off. I'll have to show you on here. This is the stem of the apple. There you go, you can see it better there. The stem of the apple. So there's 2 ways you could cut an apple, one in half. Well, both ways would be in half. And then this is the other way you would cut it in half, and you can see all of the seeds. It kind of looks like what shape? A heart? No. A circle? No. It looks like a star. We're going to do something fun with that in a second. But next up is going to be a taste testing. I have 2 apples to taste. And what colors are these? This one is purple and this one is pink. Is that right? No. This one is green and this one is blue. Is that right? No, just kidding. This is red and this one is green. What do we think these taste like? Well, I think, because I've had apples before, one of these might be a little sweeter than the other one. I'm thinking the red one matches my headband, would be a little bit sweeter than this green one. Green apples tend to be a little bit sour. I'm going to take a bite of the red apple. This red apple is a little bit sweet. Now I'm going to take a bite of the green apple. Let's see if it's sour. Ooh, it is sour. Woo! If I was eating this, I would put some peanut butter on it because this is very sour. I'm going to put these down. And I did not cut up the yellow one because I only have 1 yellow apple for you guys to see. Generally, when you go apple picking, you pick red apples. So I have a fun art project for us, and it's Miss Carlee's apple picking. So we are going to paint this apple. And if you want to do this at home, I just actually took a knife, cut it directly in half, not diagonal, but in half, so that you would get the star shape. Now, I have 3 colors here: yellow, green, and red. You can pick whatever color you want to make it your apple yours. I'm actually gonna do red because I want it to match the red apple. And you can take a paintbrush, a toothbrush, whatever painting stuff you have, and you're just gonna cover this up. And once the paint is on here, you're gonna take your paper and put it on here and dab it, and it makes an apple. I'll show you. And I actually don't have a paintbrush right now. I misplaced it, so I'm gonna use my finger. And that's okay. If you wanna use your finger, you can use it. So see how it's completely covered? And I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it right on the piece of paper and peel up. And I'm gonna do that again. So I have 2 apples. And you know what? I kind of wanna have 3. So I have 3 apples. And once you dotted it 3 different times, kind of the paint has gone off. I'm gonna put it back in the tray so I don't make a big mess. And I actually put a little napkin here because I knew I was gonna do that to clean off my hands. And I have a Sharpie here to do a little stem. And this is my final product. Miss Carlee's Fall Apples. You guys can do this at home if you like and post it onto Schoolology, or let us know what your favorite apple is. It could be the sour green apple or the little bit of a sweeter red apple. If you guys have a yellow apple, I didn't taste this one, but if you have a yellow apple at home, let us know and tell us what is your favorite apple.